Hi everyone, here's a video on how to put together the flatpack Temple Webster Windsor Chesterfield Daybed. You'll need 2 people and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have all 3 boxes before you start building. Mine arrived over 2 days. All 3 boxes are needed to put the daybed together. Pieces that connect to one another are packaged separately. I've also included the 2 pages of instructions should you need to refer to them. The first thing to do is to get pieces A1 and A2 into position. Attach backside rail E to the A pieces. Push the brackets down into position. Use Allen key number 1 and the screws from package 7 to secure. Tighten to 80% capacity. Next, attach front side rail D to the A pieces by pushing the brackets down into position. Again, using Allen key 1 and the remaining package 7 bolts, tighten to 80% capacity. The daybed should now look like this. Have packages 4, 5 and 6 and Allen key number 2 ready to attach back panel B above the back side rail. Tighten the 4 bolts to 100% capacity. Be patient lining up the holes. It took us some time to get it right. Now return to the front and back side rails and tighten the bolts to 100% capacity. Locate the slats labelled package C and screws in package number 3. Open up the slats and lay them out evenly on side rails D and E. The connecting black ribbon should be face down. Make sure the end slats are flush with the raw timber on the side rails. Then with a Phillips head screwdriver, use the screws in package 3 to secure the slats into place. Start at one end of the daybed and work your way down. To create the trundle, attach trundle front panel F to trundle side panels H using the brackets. Then attach trundle back panel G to the other side of side panels H. When tightening the brackets to 80% capacity using Allen key number 8, we found it easier to do it with the wooden blocks in place. After the bolts have been initially secured, tighten to 100% capacity. Next, locate slats packaged I, Screws packaged 10 and rollers packaged 11. The slats already come with pencil markings indicating where the rollers are to be placed. Check that the markings are square and equal prior to securing the rollers with the screws. Place the slats with the rollers face down onto trundle side panels H. Make sure the end slats are flush with the raw timber on the side panels. The single slat is to be placed in the middle. With the Phillips head screwdriver, use the screws in package 9 to secure the slats into place. We would recommend securing each end of the 6-piece slats into place first and then working towards the middle. Secure the single slat last. And there is your completed daybed.